Gavana wa munene wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja niekinyetie mbere ya kamitii ya seneti ya guthurima kigina kia muigy na ni thutha wa murungano kana ni thutha wa koro ena murungano mukaru wa Mathabu ma kaunti ino kuhetukira riporti yake ni onanitie ati gatagte ka mwaka wa 2007 nginya mwaka wa 2020 kigina kiria gitangathagwo ni kaunti ni kurana na kiria kiadikithagio na utiganu wa mabirioni mbecha guku Gavana akiuga NMS ni maregete gukorwo makimahe rutha rwa kuhingura sava cia kigina gia kaunti ino guku gitumi kinene gikiaga gukorwo gikiheanwo mbere ya kamitii ino.
Riporti ya muigy Mathabu ma muigy kaunti ya Nairobi yonanitie ati gatagte ka mwaka wa 2017-2020 mbeca iria kaunti ikoragwo ikirogota kuma kuri muigy koretwo na utigani na ngurani nene na iria ciadikithagio rekodi-ini ciake.
10,157,594,130. That is what is in the natural statement. But from the extras that we did, we had a figure of 13,971,466,855. So for if at all we can be granted access to the system, then we may be able to get the exact true figure that is supposed to have been reported.
Gavana wa Nairobi niwe Johnson Sakaja augite ati kigina kiria kinene kia narogotwo ni kaunti ino ciringi birioni 11.7 mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2015-2016 nayo njatukano na utheri ikiaga hari ripoti iria yarekereirio ikionania tao mwaka wa kigina wa 2016-2017 yarogotirwo birioni 15 naguo mwaka wa 2017-2018 makirogota birioni 19 naguo mwaka wa 2018-2019 makirogota birioni 13 undu uria utigite kiriga gia uhotekeku wa gukungumio kwa mbeca cia muigy.
Performance is attributed to a decrease in display activities due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and I asked my team to also provide a comparative analysis for the first quarter of this financial year compared to the previous financial year pre-COVID. And then also post-COVID.
No ona kuri u namba ici ni ciagite gucabithio tama kuona kuringana na Sakaja rũhonge rwa NMS ni nimaimete uhoti wa kuhingura server cia mutambo wa construction uria wigaga rekodi ici ona thengia yao kuria mahinguriro niguo mamenye uhoti wa kaunti hari urogoti wa kigina.
That time when NMS came on board, the NMS team asked for administration rights of that system, because the NMS was then developing, together with the national government, a system of Nairobi plan. That officer, called Mbisi, was given the administrative rights to the system. He removed all the other admins, and the records then prior could not be found at that point.
Makiria na murungamereri mihango thigiraine wa ira gikato niaremetwo kuihuria gitumi gia kaunti iria iri urogoti munene wa igoti uria yagete kuhigurirwo server cia kumenya urogoti wao wa kigina guku akihoya kamitii ino thiku citanyihire igiri gwetha kionia kia undu uyu.
Comes to the issue of Mr. Mbisi and the access to e-construction and even the other brotherly issue of NRS. The question is, we are in the process of concluding the final report of handing over, and this issue of access is part of the report. We have already supplied the draft report to the county. In less than 2 weeks, we will be doing the final handover of NMS, all the residual functions or anything, documentation that remained on the part of NMS will be handed over back to the Nairobi County.
Duine ha Muthingi TV, rekoni maina wa musho.